Imagine turning one piece of metal into an empire. In 600 BCE, a king did exactly that, creating the world's first viral marketing campaign that was so successful that we're still talking about it today. His name? Croesus. And his marketing strategy was literally worth its weight in gold. What's up, fam? Today, we're diving into the craziest marketing campaign ever launched. One that didn't just go viral, it changed civilization forever. 1. The problem. Imagine an ancient marketplace, similar to a Marrakesh bazaar, with confusion everywhere. Except this happened in ancient Lydia, modern-day Turkey. The marketplace is in total chaos. People are arguing over chunks of metal, weighing silver bits and testing copper pieces. Every transaction takes forever because nobody trusts anybody's mode of payment. Our hero, King Croesus, watches this mess and thinks, there has to be a better way to minimize this trade and exchange chaos. But he's not just thinking about solving a problem, he's thinking about building an empire. 2. The golden innovation. Croesus does something nobody had ever done before. He creates the world's first standardized gold coins. But here's where it gets interesting. He doesn't just make the coins. He launched them with a marketing campaign that was so brilliant that it would make modern influencers jealous. The strategy, A. Each coin is stamped with his personal seal, the first branded product in history. B. The coins are made with exact precision, creating trust through consistency. He guarantees their value with his royal authority. But here's the genius part. 3. The viral campaign launches what we'd now call a viral marketing campaign. He sends his agents throughout the kingdom with bags of these new gold coins. At each major market, they stage elaborate demonstrations. A. They bite the coins, starting a tradition that lasted thousands of years. B. They drop them to hear the distinctive rink. They perform public purity tests. But the masterstroke? He creates a game. 4. The ancient treasure hunt. Croesus's agents spread a rumor. Some of the first coins released contain slightly more gold than others. Suddenly, everyone's examining their coins, talking about them, trading them, trying to find these premium versions. This strategy created the first collectible currency. 2. Word-of-mouth marketing at scale. 3. User-generated content. People sharing tips on coin testing. 4. Community engagement around a product. Sound familiar? It's exactly what modern brands do with limited editions and rare collectibles. The results. The campaign was so successful that A. Rich as Croesus became a phrase we still use today. B. His coins became the ancient world's first global currency. The design was copied for centuries. The marketing technique created the basis for modern monetary systems. The modern connection. Every time you see A. limited edition sneaker release, B. a rare Pokemon card, a viral TikTok challenge, an influencer product launch, you're seeing Croesus's marketing strategy in action. Even Bitcoin, the modern digital currency, uses many of the same principles Croesus discovered. A. Limited supply. B. Trust through verification. C. Community engagement. Standardized value. Conclusion. The legacy. Croesus didn't just create a currency, he created the world's first viral marketing campaign that generated buzz, built trust, created community, established brand value, went viral across the known world. Drop A in the comments if you've ever collected anything because it might be rare. Congrats! A marketing campaign has influenced you from 2,600 years ago. Please help me help you grow your minds and careers. Follow me and communicate as I respond to everyone. Next week, the medieval merchant who invented influencer marketing with a traveling cat. Comment cat.